Oh my god, I feel so naked without my buns.
Feeling like the sun and the stars.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much as always for taking the time to click onto this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So we're just gonna jump right into today's video. So today's video, we are DIYing these bucket hats. I already went ahead and did it, but here's a little sneak preview of what they're gonna look like. Yeah, we're gonna turn these bucket hats into fake designer bucket hats, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And I'm gonna show you how I would style them, and I'm gonna walk you through the process of everything I did to DIY that bucket hat. We're gonna take these bucket hats and make them our own, put our own little signature, personality on them, and just get creative with them. They were only $4 online each, so I figured why not? It would be a perfect video to just get a little bit more creative, and if I mess it up, I mean, it's only $4. Oh my god, I feel so naked without my buns. My buns. If you guys don't know, I always have my hair in buns. I always have buns, and for the sake of today's video, since we're gonna be wearing these bucket hats, I didn't want to put it in buns because it just wouldn't fit with those buns on. Anyways, so we're gonna start off with this first hat here. I'm gonna show you guys the process of how I DIY'd this hat. Okay, here I have my hat, a bowl, scissors, fabric dye, transfer paper. I put the hat into the bowl and then I added water onto it with my water bottle because I'm lazy. And then I added the fabric dye right on top of it. And honestly, at this point, I thought it looked kind of ugly and I thought it wasn't gonna turn out good. But once I added bleach and then threw it into the wash, the color lightened up. I added the Coco Chanel transfer paper right over the hat, and then I added some diamonds. Okay, so this is the next hat here. I'm gonna show you guys how I DIY'd this little baby. Okay, for this pink one, I needed an iron, scissors, transfer paper. I added a Supreme logo to it, and then I put a butterfly as well. And then after that, I decided to add a third little logo on there. But after I ironed it, I noticed the transfer paper left a little bit of residue. So to cover that up, I just added some diamonds to it, and I thought it made the hat really cute and accessorizable. And lastly, we got this little cutie pie here. I'm gonna show you guys how I made her. For this black hat, I needed bleach, scissors, a little chain, and a safety pin. I started by just distressing the hat and adding some holes just to give it some extra texture. Once I finished distressing it, I then started to bleach it, and I bleached both the front and the back. I then added the chain and the safety pin to give a little bit more accessory, and then I added this transfer paper on top, but because the bleach was still wet, it kind of gave it a weird look. But then I added diamonds, and that's pretty much it for this hat. Alright guys, so that is how I DIY'd these 3 bucket hats here. I am wearing this one because this one actually turned out to be my favorite one, which ironically, I thought it was actually going to be the worst one because once I started putting that dye on it, I was like, oh my god, this looks like crap, like, this is terrible. But once the dye settled a little bit, it ended up being one of my favorite hats, and it is perfect to wear with this outfit. As you can see, I would probably just keep this very minimal and style it with a very light colored or all white outfit. So yeah, this Chanel, ow, Chanel one is my favorite one. Anyways, I appreciate you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. This one was definitely a fun little project that I've had in mind for quite a while, so I'm glad I got to make it for you guys. And let me know if you guys decided to DIY any of your bucket hats, and if you do, tag me in them. You guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at IamOnyxRose, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Yeah, but either ways, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'll see you in my next video.